going to.
You gotta hear this one song. It'll change your life, I swear.
It's good. I like it.
This is Jefe rain. The sunrise was especially kind today. And honestly, so was I. My new track. The sunrise is kind today is out now. And here's what I want you to do with it. First, press play. Let it hit before the world does. Second, take one breath, just one. Reset. Third, I want you to be that you. Step into your day like you belong there because you do. And finally, be the reason someone else shines today. Go stream. The sunrise is kind today. Take that breath with you. And if this hit you, send it to someone who needs it today. Let's make this a good day. Together.
From my head down to my feet, I'm the boss of my glow. I'm the king of my stride. Got that Jefe energy. Let's take it for a ride. The shadows are fading. The rhythm is tight. We're reclaiming the morning. We're on